Hey guys, back to reality naman tayo for today's video. After a long vacation and chilling at the beach, so session na naman ulit kami ng client ko sa gym kasi matagal siyang absent. So back to work na naman tayo guys. Bakbakan na naman tayo sa gym. And I just want to inform everybody, sa mga old clients ko at the gym, Coach KJ is back again. If you want me to be your coach again, one-on-one coaching, one-on-one workout, just message me up at the Facebook. We can do proper training, circuit, weightlifting, abs workout, diets, and a lot of fun while burning our calories and fats. So ito yung mga ginagawa namin usually ng mga clients ko sa gym. Hindi ko naman kayo papahirapan pero tutulungan ko kayo maging sexy ulit. My schedule is available from 1 PM to 4 PM lang. Hindi ako pwede ng gabi kasi marami ng tao and peak hours na. Gusto ko kasi yung akin lang yung playground, walang mga ibang tao, para matutukan ko yung mga workouts nyo. Gusto ko kasi yung quality yung workout natin para hindi sayang yung binabayad nyo sa akin. Hindi yung mga putyo-putyo workout lang guys. Gusto ko hindi masira yung momentum natin habang nag-workout tayo. Walang distraction tsaka quality yung workout natin para mas mabilis yung progress natin. Gusto ko yung walang disturbo, walang tao, yung tayong dalawa lang yung nag-workout para matutukan kita. So if you want me to be your coach again, just message me up in Facebook and I'll give you all my available schedules for our workout. See you guys again next vlog. Bye-bye!